You know, it really would not be an authentic video from me if I don't start in my bonnet. Well, under my bonnet, I have blown out hair. I use the blowout brush. I actually have a video on that. I'll definitely link that. So my hair is very stretched out. Currently, I'm just going to section it. I'm sectioning out the front because I'm not going to work on that first. But what I'm really going to be doing is sectioning my hair into small sections and twisting it without even adding the extensions first. This is because I'm going to be doing my own hair, so I won't be able to see the back of my hair, and it'll be tedious to keep resectioning every line. So what I do is I section my entire head first and then just twist it after with the extensions. This way I don't have to sit in front of the mirror the whole time. The only time I really need to be in front of the mirror is when I'm sectioning it to make sure the lines are okay, make sure that I'm sectioning the right area and I'm not overlapping hair. So what I'm doing is going line by line, sectioning off a square, an area, and then I'm just going to twist that with my own hair just to section it out, so when I do use the extensions, I'll literally just pull out one of the twists that I've already done with my own hair, unravel it, and then twist the hair. It may seem like that will take more time, but it's actually much faster because, again, like, you can sit literally anywhere and do it because you're actually just going to be feeling the sections rather than having to reline them every time. So I'm just going to go through and section my whole head, twisting off each section. This took me about 30 minutes, and then I got right into the extensions. Typically it will take me, I would say, 6 hours to do my own hair, but because I did the parts very big and I was going for thicker twists, this took me about 3 hours total. So I went through and sectioned my whole head, but I'm not trying to make this video 5 hours long, so I skipped the rest of that. So I actually started and did half the twist on my head. I'm going to show you the front because the front is the easiest place to show you on how to actually twist your hair. So you're going to take that Marley hair to the root. You're going to split it in half, and one half in one hand. You're going to twist it one direction, other half twist it another direction, twist it over one side, and then keep going. I'm going to show you again. So put that to the root, make sure you moisturize your hair, add your gel, etc, etc, and then you're gonna see I'm gonna pull that apart into two little sections, and then this is the one twist area. Marley hair to the root, twist one way in one hand, twist the other way in the other, just cross it over and just twist down. It's as simple as that, but I would make sure to hold it tight because I personally like my twist to be tight. That way it feels more secure and I just know that it's in securely. And again, that's really what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep repeating that step. Marley hair to the root, twist one way in one direction, twist it another way, put it over, and then twist all the way down. I personally like to burn my twist each time I do one. So once I twist to the end, I burn it. I add my product on my way down. I add a bit more gel if I want to. If I don't want to, because it's hot, you don't have to add too much gel. But I like to add enough just so I know it's secure and they look really polished and nice when I'm done. And that's really it. Some people burn their ends, some don't. I would suggest though, if you're reusing your Marley hair, to burn the ends if you don't usually. But yeah, it's very simple, and hopefully this saves you a ton of money so you can start doing them yourself rather than paying like 200 or however much people paid to get it done. But you can still get it done, but here and there, just do it yourself. It's just a nice thing, you know, if you have a free day. So again, just repeating those steps over and over throughout my head. So some people, once they finish their twist, they boil hot water and then they dip the ends of their twist in it just so that they won't stick together, because they are burnt at the end and it might catch on another twist. I suggest doing this, but use assistance if you do need help on that, just to be very careful, because I have personally burnt myself before with hot water. I know a lot of people have, so just be very careful with that step. So my whole head is about to be done. I hope this video was helpful. If you want another video on how to do Marley Twist, I do have another one, and I'm definitely going to link that at the very end. Make sure to watch that as well before going ahead and starting on your own head. But I tailored this more on how to do it for your own head, again, without assistance. And I really hope this was useful, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.